Hello everybody, today I feel like I want to paint teeth on my face. I want it to look creepy. I'm not sure where this is going, but this is my normal face and we'll see where I take it from here. Here's the outline in black and I don't know where I'm taking it from here. But I think it'll be cool. I'm pretty freaked out now. It's getting there. So I decided when I paint in the teeth, I'm going to make them creepier than this, bigger than this. And I think I'm going to make myself into an alien. Then I took some yellow and made like a lip line, some lime green and made gum lines, added green around my whole face. Now I'm going to paint in the teeth because I'm sure it's going to make a big difference. I feel so creepy. I love it so much. I'm going to add some eyeshadow to it just to kind of bulk it up and maybe a little blood on the fangs. So I've got it right around my eyes, right around my teeth, eyeshadow around everything to kind of give it something extra, and then blacken the creases of my forehead lines just to kind of give it some kind of creepy texture in the forehead.